Suppose you are using your friends or relatives Wi-Fi, but you don't know the Wi-Fi password. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find out Wi-Fi password on laptop or desktop. So this is Anis. Welcome back to another video. If you're new in my channel, please consider subscribe and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. Now I am on my laptop, and as you can see, I'm connected to the Wi-Fi. Here's, and I'm going to know this Wi-Fi password. And first of all, click on the charging icon, then type control panel, then open. Here is network and security, and then network and internet. You need to click on network and internet, then network and sharing center, and here is showing your current Wi-Fi connected name. Then click on the Wi-Fi name, and here is showing Wi-Fi status, and here is wireless properties. Then click on wireless properties. Then here is to show options, connections and security, and then click on the security, and here is third option is network security key, and just you need to click on this show characters. Then boom, it's showing your current Wi-Fi password. So that's it. So if you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If you like this video, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.